welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to talk to you guys about Hair by Honey. I'm so excited to bring you guys this curly hair. Come on, it's popping. This hair is so nice, so curly. I've actually even straightened this hair before and it got super straight and the curls literally bounced back. I've had this hair, I'm looking on my phone to see when I first got this hair. I got this hair in July, so July of 2017, and I've worn it so many times. Like, I'll insert some pictures either over here, over there, whatever. But I've worn this hair so much. Like, I love this hair a lot. This is like typically my vacation hair. Like, if I'm going out of town, I'll put this on because it's super easy. I actually have this hair sewed on to a wig cap, so it is a half wig. Well, I made it into a half wig, and I did cut the wefts. Like, I don't know, like, for me the folding over method is super hard, so I cut the wefts. And then even before I cut the wefts, there was no detangling. There was no shedding. Like, there was, like, her hair, it just don't shed, y'all. Like, it don't shed. Even my best friend, she had me ship her this hair, and like, she loves it too, and she says that it doesn't shed. And using Ivy's flip over method, but like the new one. Like, she has two flip over methods, but I used the newer one this time. I actually have made a wig before using her first flip over method. I like both. The second one I think works a lot better, but anyways, I have like the front of my hair out, and then literally like just to here, and then the rest of this is just all weave. I got this in, let me see, hold on. I got this in the lengths 26, 28, and 30. And that cost, that cost me $300. So not that bad. Like, honestly, I think the pricing is great. She has a bundle deal, so my bundle deal was $300, or you could also buy individual lengths if you want to. Let's see what else I'm going to tell you guys about this hair. So I've had this hair since July. I don't know if I said that. And so even after I cut the wefts, because I can't do the flip over method. Whoops. You can't do a flip over method without cutting some wefts. Even when I sewed the tracks in the back of the wig cap, like, I personally, like, I have to cut the wefts. Like, for me to be able to do it, like, I cut all my wefts. So even when I was detangling, like, and washing the wig after I made it, like, honestly, it was barely any shedding. Like, it only shed because I cut some of the wefts, but even then, like, it wasn't even a lot of shedding. I was super careful when I cut the wefts too. Like, I was really, like, trying to keep as much hair in the wig as possible. And obviously you can see, like, it's super full on me. So I'm 5'10", like, I'm super tall. So on me, 30 inches comes to about right here. So, like, this is like my waist, and then all the way down to like almost where my hips would start. So 30 inches is pretty long on me. So if you're shorter, I wouldn't recommend getting 30 inches. Blah, blah, blah. Did I say that you can straighten it? Yeah, so you can definitely straighten this hair. It gets super straight. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, let me tell you guys what I use on the hair. So I treat this hair like it's my natural hair. Like, I detangle it like it's my natural hair. I use the same products on my real hair that I would on this hair, and I feel like it works really well. So after I wash the hair, like, I feel like you can use whatever shampoo and conditioner you normally use. So after, like, on wash day, because wash day, you know, people say wash day, they say, like, for their natural hair, but for wash day from my half wig that I sewed it down. So, like, wash day is like washing the wig and washing, like, the front part of my hair or whatever. I use the Cantu, let's see, can you leave it? The Cantu Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioner. And then on top of that, I use the, whoops, dropped something. I use the, can you see this? The Cantu the Cantu Define and Shine Custard. So yeah, this custard, I go through a lot of this. Like, this is bomb. Like, I love this custard. And then on the day, so when I go to sleep, I kind of just put it up into a pineapple and then go to sleep like that. And then on the days that I like, it's not wash day or whatever, I use this product by Curls. and it's called the Curls Lavish Curls Moisturizer Second Curl Refresher Daily Leave-In. So this is what I use to refresh my curls. I don't know if you could see. Let's see if I can get it closer. Yeah, so this is what I use, and I'm like almost, as you can see, like I really, hold on, like I really use it because it's all the way down here. Like I use this a lot. And then just water. This is my cheese spray bottle, but I put water in it. There's nothing special in here. It's literally just water. You can see I use the Cantu one a lot too because I use this on my real hair. So like that's all that's left. Like that's it. Like literally the same the same height as my nail, or width of my nail is how much of this I have left. But yeah, that's all I use in the hair, and the curls get super defined, like super duper defined. So I would definitely check her out. It's Hair by Honey on Instagram. Yeah guys, go get you some Hair by Honey. I've also actually tried her straight hair before, and I made a wig out of that straight hair before, and it's bomb. It was much shorter length, so it was like a super short bob type situation. So I just really like her hair. I'll definitely continue to buy and support her hair company because I really, sorry, my contact is like bothering me. You know what, let me go get a flat iron so I can show you guys how this hair can straighten. 1 second. Okay guys, I'm back with a flat iron. So I'm just gonna, I'm looking in my monitor right now. So I'm just gonna take some hair, and I'm literally, it's at 4:55, so I don't know if you guys can see. I have the flat iron at 4:55, and it's just a Remington flat iron. So I'm gonna just straighten this piece of hair. And the smoke is probably because I have some product on here, but so 2 passes. I didn't even really try in the hair straight. Like honestly, didn't even really try for real in the hair straight. So you can definitely see like the hair gets super straight. Like this just made me want to straighten my hair. Like look at this. This is popping. This just made me, okay, you know what? I'm probably gonna straighten it. I'm probably gonna straighten this. Like typically when I have curly hair in, like I have curly hair in just to like protect my natural hair, and then to like, you know, not use heat on my natural hair. But I mean, look at this. Like this makes me want to straighten it. I'm gonna straighten it. I'm definitely gonna straighten it. But yeah, that is my review for Hair by Honey. I highly recommend getting this hair, and she just launched a website, so I'm going to link that below, and I can link also all these products that I use below. So if you can't find them in your like local Target or beauty supply store or wherever, I'm pretty sure you can find them through the links that I will try to provide. But yeah, that's my review for Hair by Honey. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.